Imagine a world where every rental agreement is a source of clarity and peace. In Salt Lake City, a well-crafted lease is your key to smooth landlord-tenant relationships. Let's dive into the 7 essential elements every lease should have. First, ensure every adult tenant and occupant is listed in the lease. This guarantees accountability and legal standing if disputes arise. Everyone's signature is crucial for a harmonious rental experience. Define the lease term clearly. Is it a fixed 1-year lease or month-to-month? Specify move-in and termination dates and clarify renewal terms. This prevents confusion and reduces turnover. Outline rent payment terms meticulously. Include the monthly rent amount, due date, and accepted payment methods. Don't forget late fees, grace periods, and penalties for failed transactions to ensure smooth collections. Security deposits need clarity. State the deposit amount, payment deadline, and permissible deductions. Ensure tenants know the deposit return timeframe, which is 30 days post-move-out under Utah law. Clarify maintenance responsibilities. Tenants handle minor tasks like filter changes, while landlords manage major repairs. Outline service request procedures and response times for emergencies and routine issues. Establish lifestyle rules to minimize friction. Specify pet restrictions, smoking policies, and guest stay limits. Require approval for extended visits to maintain harmony in the rental community. Ensure legal compliance with Utah's regulations. Include necessary disclosures and dispute resolution methods. Tailor your lease to local features like snow removal and smart home upgrades for a professional touch. Need help crafting or enforcing a lease that's airtight, compliant, and tailored for Salt Lake City? At NV Property Management, we've got you covered. Contact us today to protect your investment and keep your tenants happy.